guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those that don't know me and for those of you do, thank you for joining the wig review. Today's wig I'll be reviewing today is by Sensationnel. Go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 54 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
Hey, I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic. Thinking you could get like me. You ain't really bad at I see. I clean as new white teeth, don't compare it to me. We ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team. I be feeling like Dean, I should need 5 rings. Moving hella quick, don't blink, you gon' miss me. In the city, swerving in the whip like I'm drifting. Don't be playing games over here, but get risky. No, I got the wave over here, I'm insisting. Tried to show you the way, but you ain't listening. We don't do it the same, I'm too different. So I don't hear what you saying, ain't no denying the flame. But I got ice in my veins, so I glisten. I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic. Thinking you could get like me. You ain't really bad at I see. I clean as new white teeth, don't compare it to me. We ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team. I be feeling like Dean, I should need 5 rings. If I ain't bring the pressure, who gon' hold it down? If I ain't chef it up, then who can show you how? Everything exquisite, yeah, you know my style. You ain't really with it, you should throw in the towel. If you ain't with the functions, you should tell me something. Cause I'ma stay emotional, I don't wait for nothing. I think I know why they upset. We some winners, so we finna run it up quick. I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic. Thinking you could get like me. You ain't really bad at I see. I clean as new white teeth, don't compare it to me. We ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team. I be feeling like Dean, I should need 5 rings. It's hard to miss it. Ay, you optimistic. Ay, ay. You ain't really with I see. Ay, ay. I could score enough for the whole team. I should need 5 rings. Hey, I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic. Thinking you could get like me. You ain't really bad at I see. I clean as new white teeth, don't compare it to me. We ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team. I be feeling like Dean, I should need 5 rings. Moving hella quick, don't blink, you gon' miss me. In the city, swerving in the whip like I'm drifting. Don't be playing games over here, but get risky. No, I got the wave over here, I'm insisting. Tried to show you the way, but you ain't listening. We don't do it the same, I'm too different. So I don't hear what you saying, ain't no denying the flame. But I got ice in my veins, so I glisten. I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic. Thinking you could get like me. You ain't really bad at I see. I clean as new white teeth, don't compare it to me. We ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team. I be feeling like Dean, I should need 5 rings. If I ain't bring the pressure, who gon' hold it down? If I ain't chef it up, then who can show you how? Everything exquisite, yeah, you know my style. You ain't really with it, you should throw in the towel. If you ain't with the functions, you should tell me something. Cause I'ma stay emotional, I don't wait for nothing. I think I know why they upset. We some winners, so we finna run it up quick. I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic. Thinking you could get like me. You ain't really bad at I see. I clean as new white teeth, don't compare it to me. We ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team. I be feeling like Dean, I should need 5 rings. It's hard to miss it. Ay, you optimistic. Ay, ay. You ain't really with it, I see. Ay, ay. I could score enough for the whole team. I should need 5 rings. Ay, I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic. Thinking you could get like me. You ain't really about that I see. I'm clean as new white teeth. Don't compare it to me. We ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team. I be feeling like Dean. I should need 5 rings. Moving hella quick, don't blink. You gon' miss me. In the city, swerving in a whip like I'm drifting. Don't be playing games over here, but get risky. No, I got the wave over here. I'm insisting. Tried to show you the way, but you ain't listen. We don't do it the same. I'm too different. So I don't hear what you saying. Ain't no denying the flame, but I got ice in my veins, so I glisten. I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic. Thinking you could get like me. You ain't really about that I see. I'm clean as new white teeth. Don't compare it to me. We ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team. I be feeling like Dean. I should need 5 rings. If I ain't bring the pressure, who gon' hold it down? If I ain't chef it up, then who can show you how? Everything exquisite, yeah, you know my style. You ain't really with it, you should throw in the towel. If you ain't with the functions, you should tell me something. Cause I'ma stay in motion, I don't wait for nothing. I think I know why they upset. We some winners, so we finna run it up quick. I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic. Thinking you could get like me. You ain't really about that I see. I'm clean as new white teeth. Don't compare it to me. We ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team. I be feeling like Dean. I should need 5 rings. It's hard to miss it. Ay, you optimistic. Ay, ay. You ain't really with it, I see. Ay, ay. I could score enough for the whole team. I should need 5 rings. Hey, I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic. Thinking you could get like me. You ain't really about that I see. I'm clean as new white teeth. Don't compare it to me. We ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team. I be feeling like Dean. I should need 5 rings. Moving hella quick, don't blink. You gon' miss me. In the city, swerving in a whip like I'm drifting. Don't be playing games over here, but get risky. No, I got the wave over here. I'm insisting. Tried to show you the way, but you ain't listen. We don't do it the same. I'm too different. So I don't hear what you saying. Ain't no denying the flame, but I got ice in my veins, so I glisten. I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic. Thinking you could get like me. You ain't really about that I see. I'm clean as new white teeth. Don't compare it to me. We ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team. I be feeling like Dean. I should need 5 rings. If I ain't bring the pressure, who gon' hold it down? If I ain't chef it up, then who can show you how? Everything exquisite, yeah, you know my style. You ain't really with it, you should throw in the towel. If you ain't with the functions, you should tell me something. Cause I'ma stay in motion, I don't wait for nothing. I think I know why they upset. We some winners, so we finna run it up quick. I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic. Thinking you could get like me. You ain't really about that I see. I'm clean as new white teeth. Don't compare it to me. We ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team. I be feeling like Dean. I should need 5 rings. It's hard to miss it. Ay, you optimistic. Ay, ay. You ain't really with it, I see. Ay, ay. I could score enough for the whole team. I should need 5 rings. Hey, I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic. Thinking you could get like me. You ain't really about that I see. I'm clean as new white teeth. Don't compare it to me. We ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the be feeling like Bean, I should need 5 rings. Move hella quick, don't blink, you gon' miss me. In the city, swerving in a whip like I'm drifting. Don't be playing games over here, but get risky. No, I got the wave over here, I'm insisting. Tried to show you the way, but you ain't listen. We gon' do it the same, I'm too different. So I don't hear what you saying, ain't no denying the flame. But I got ice in my veins, so I glisten. I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic. Thinking you could get like me. You ain't really bad at I see. I clean as new white teeth, don't compare it to me. We ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team. I be feeling like Bean, I should need 5 rings. If I ain't bring the pressure, who gon' hold it down? If I ain't chef it up, then who can show you how? Everything exquisite, yeah, you know my style. You ain't really with it, you should throw in a towel. If you ain't with the functions, you should tell me something. Cause I'ma stay in motion, I don't wait for nothing.
So now that you have watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. The wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Sensationnel in the color Brynn. I have Brynn in the color TR230. Brynn is premium synthetic fiber, salon inspired cut and colored, a lightweight unit, pre-plucked hairline, HD lace for flawless blending, air to air lace, includes baby hairs, texturized, short, curly, pixie. It is safe up to 400 degrees. The color of the lace is nude. It does come with 3 combs. It does come with adjustable straps. Yeah, so this is what she looked like, and this is how I did mine. Kind of similar to the stock card, nothing fancy. It was very easy to install, very easy to apply. It's not beginner friendly, but it's beginner friendly. It doesn't shed no flyaways, obviously, and yeah. So what do you guys think about the unit on me? And again, the color I have is TH230. I don't know if you can see the colors. So since this wig, it doesn't have any downfalls or anything that I could take points off for, I'm giving it a 10. It's a gorgeous unit, easy put on and go, pixie cut for this hot summer that we have right now. You know, so it's perfect for this type of temperature. You put it on, there's nothing on your neck, there's nothing causing you to get extremely hot, maybe except if you sweat in your head. But other than anything being on your neck, none of that. So yeah, if you're in the market for a new pixie cut that is easy, put it and go, get this. Yeah. So if you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and I'll see you in the next wig. Bye guys.